Guys, I've got Wychwood Riot Big Pit 75. They're really good reels, but problem is with them, they haven't got quick release, so you have to do that. I'll show you today how to do it, quick release on these reels. Very easy, just unscrew that. Pull it off. You've got two screws over here. So unscrew these two screws. Take cap off. In the middle you've got spring. So just take it out. Looks like that. Take it out, put it back, put it screws back. Right, I've got the screws back, everything like one before. Just put it back, tie it up till end. So it's tied now, can't spin it, just half a turn. That's how you do quick release on Wychwood Riot Big Pit 75. Thank you.